Let's make this two ingredients super simple, easy and delicious healthy snack. All you need is some bananas and a jar of peanut butter. The reason why I personally love this recipe is because it's so simple and there's no cooking involved at all. Here I've taken 4 bananas, but you can decide according to your personal servings. Also, this super simple snack is really good when you're craving something sweet but don't want to have chocolates, ice cream or any other dessert. So once you've peeled all the bananas, the next step is to chop them. The bananas will keep you full because of the quick carbs, and the peanut butter will offer protein. Now all you have to do is just spread the peanut butter on these banana slices just the way you do it on the bread. As you can see that the peanut butter is a bit sticky, but you don't have to worry if it creates a bit of a mess. Once all the slices are done, now your own peanut butter and banana board is ready. Enjoy this healthy and nutritious snack, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.